What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So your girl is a little bit stressed because I have a huge work trip that I have to leave for tomorrow morning, and I saved everything that I need to do until the last minute. So yeah, I don't know why I did this, but I saved everything for the last minute. So we need to clean, pack, do my hair. Like, I was gonna do nails, but if I have to do nails on the plane, that's perfectly fine. And I think that might be it. I can't think of anything else. But clean, pack, hair. Those are the top three, because I cannot go looking a mess. So I've already gotten some cleaning done, so I'll show you guys those clips. I already laid out all of the clothes. It's on my bed. So that is basically what, once I show you guys everything I did for cleaning wise and prepping the house, because my mom's going to be here to help just take care of Riley, we're going to try and pack all of this stuff in the suitcase. Yeah, we're gonna try and pack all this stuff in a suitcase, and I'm scared about that part. And then if I have to do nails on the plane, I will do that. I was kind of looking for like press-on nails, but I couldn't find any really in the store. So maybe I might just like paint them, make it super easy. And I have to wash my hair. I already washed 2 wig options that I have because my hair gets really like frizzy, and I really don't feel like managing my hair at all. Like at all. And a wig is just easier. So we're gonna do a wig. And so I just have to wash my hair, braid it up, plop the wig on, sew that down, and then probably style. So we'll see. We will see. This goes to show you, do not procrastinate and leave things till the last minute. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because this is what you end up with, a hot mess trying to fit everything in a short amount of time.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Chasing highs, you need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want.
Anytime I'm traveling for work and my mom is going to be staying in my apartment, I always want to make sure that I am putting some fresh sheets onto the bed. That is the least I could do. She is helping me out tremendously by taking care and helping out with Riley. So I want to make sure that she feels comfortable and has some fresh linen sheets onto the bed. Also, most of the time Riley is in here sleeping with her just because she loves to cuddle and she misses mom. So sleeping in my room kind of, I guess, makes her feel a little bit more connected to me. In the living room, we're basically just doing the typical tidy up and clean up. I'm not going to over stress myself out on this because also at the end of the day, in the morning before dropping her off to school and me heading directly to the airport, there is going to be some bit of a mess, but at least if we can start off fresh for tonight with a clean living room, that is my goal. So we started decorating for Christmas the other day, and I was hoping I was going to have time before I left to also be able to put up the main Christmas tree, but we don't have the time, and I don't want to just leave this bin out here. So I have the bin, and then I also have the main Christmas tree. So we're just going to put this back into the closet for now, and then when I come back from the trip, we can just decorate again. This entryway becomes cluttered so easily with shoes, boxes, bags, you name it. Everything kind of gets dropped right here. So the last thing I really need to do in the living room is going to be throw out these extra boxes, get that cleared out of the way. And then those bags that you see kind of in the front, those I'm going to be packing later, so I'm not too worried about that. Heading on over to the kitchen, I'm going to unload the dishwasher. Also make sure to wash all of the dishes that are in the sink. For the most part, everything is pretty much cleaned in here, but I want to just make sure that I at least get the dishwasher running, a clean sink, clean stove, all of that stuff. So all my mom has to do is just come in, warm food up for her, or cook dinner, and not have to worry about also cleaning on top of that. Finishing up with the dishes and putting everything away. The last thing I need to do is just wipe down all of the countertops. I think the last couple of things that are on my list that I need to do my hair, my nails, I have to pack, and all of the things. So I feel as if the night is catching up to me and I'm running out of time. But you know, at the end of the day, I should not have procrastinated. I should have at least got some of this stuff done earlier on in the week. But, you know, it happens. Life happens. And sometimes we kind of just do it to ourselves at the same time.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never
So it's much later on in the evening. Riley's eating her dinner, so I have a little bit of time to pack. I washed my hair. I didn't even get a chance to blow dry because we still need to do homework. And she always gets upset before I leave, so I don't want to go out to the living room and do this. But I'm going to try and just like fold up everything. Usually I don't always use packing cubes just because, to be honest, it just depends on the trip. But because I'm trying to fit everything into a carry-on, I think I'm going to try and do packing cubes this trip. So I'm going to show you guys what the bed looks like. This is what we have, an organized mess right now. But on that side is basically stuff that I'm going to wear during the day, and these are kind of like evening outfits. Don't judge the rest of the room like that. But anyways, but yeah, we're gonna try and fit all this stuff in. I have one pair of jeans that I'm bringing, and I need to cut them too. I probably should do that today instead of, unless the hotel should have scissors. But we're rolling with this, guys.
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you.
Usually I have some type of like method to all of this, but really what I'm doing is folding up each and every single item, trying to put the entire outfit together, and then I'm going to fit as many items into each packing cube as I can. In this case, the packing cubes are definitely going to come in handy because I had to pack so much stuff because this is the first time I was going to Afrotech. If I hadn't even mentioned to you guys, that's where I was going, and I wasn't sure what to expect. And when I don't know what to expect, I tend to overpack because the last thing you want to do is not be prepared, you know, with the proper clothes and all of that kind of stuff. So I know that I am overpacking in this sense. So to try and make sure to fit every single thing into a carry-on is going to be key.
When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you need me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you need me. I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah, you know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you need me. So am I. Say that you so am
All right, it's super late at night. I was able to get everything done. I packed my suitcase. I was able to get everything to fit in here, but thankfully I have this humongous bag. So this is gonna be my carry-on, and that's gonna be my personal bag. That is the only thing that I can think of that's going to allow me to fit every single thing in here. I also was able to do my toes, but I didn't get a chance to do my hands. I am almost thinking, should I possibly get some like, what's it called? Some like press-ons, or do I just like do my nails on the plane? I honestly have no idea, but I knew that my toes needed to be painted. But yeah, I was able to do my hair. It still looks a hot mess. I did add a couple of layers so I can like curl it and everything, but we are packed and ready to go. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I know it was kind of like all over the place, but this is the reality of just trying to travel and get everything else done. And sometimes it can be overwhelming, but you do your best. That's really all you can do. So if you made it this far in the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys right back here in my next video.